This is John Hagan, and this morning we're stopping in one of our customers where we're installing low voltage voice and data cabling throughout their new location. Let's take a look.
Now, sometimes during the course of construction, a customer wishes to add an additional location. This happens more often than not during construction. This is what we've done here. So we had the solid wall, it was finished. Customer requested another data location, so we were able to trench the wall, put in some conduit, and meet the customer's needs. Out here in the warehouse, we have run access point locations through the entire area. This will allow the customers, as well as the workers, to access the wireless network throughout the warehouse. Here's another instance where the customer wished to add a data location after the fact. What we've done here is run a white cable which complements the ceiling and doesn't show exactly where we've run. This is an 18.2, which should give plenty of connectivity to the speaker. We have one below as well, so we'll have a sound system throughout the entire building. Here we have the MDF, the main distribution frame. This is where everything will consolidate. Here's all the station cabling in the raw form. We will start the closet build out by building a 7-foot 2-post rack, which will house all these station cabling, including all of the speaker locations that we've run throughout the building, and all the point of sale locations, access point locations. This is where everything comes. And from here, you'll be able to access any data port in the entire building.